First things first, download Facebook Messenger for free on your smartphone or computer next. Go onto the website that I'm about to show you today and copy your special code, then paste that onto your Facebook Messenger. And just like that, you can start to rake in big bucks. This is a brand new and unique method for you to make easy money. No skills or investments needed. People from all over the world make real money on the daily and cash out within 24 hours with this method. Make sure to pay attention to all the tips that I'm about to share with you in this video, so you can secure your success with this. First, visit this website. Before I reveal to you the secret Facebook strategy, the website is called superpay.me. We can actually make a bunch of money every single day with this brand new method using Facebook Messenger and combining it with Superpay. So stay tuned and keep watching so you can learn every step of the process. What we're focusing on today is their awesome referral program. I guess you can say this is where the magic happens. You don't have to jump through hoops. All you have to do is just copy and paste your unique referral link all over the internet, and just like that, it'll rain money for us. It's way easier than many people might initially think. But before we jump into the details, I just want to show you all of the people who are truly making bank every day with this method. This list is updated every 10 minutes. So that means you're going to be seeing new people and new payments being sent out to individuals all across. Let's just scroll down here and see all of these payment proofs. There are indeed tens of thousands of people that are making real money on here, again and again, using the strategy. Now stay with me here, because in a little bit, I'll be showing you through the whole process of signing up for a completely free account. I'll even show you plenty of real-life examples of how to make money online. On Facebook and Facebook Messenger, what I want you to do first is just click on this Join Free button right here. Then that will take you to this page over here. It's all actually a very simple sign-up process, and it's 100% free. And the only things that you have to do is type in your name, email, username, and your location. You can see right here that they are accepting practically everybody from any country in the world. So it doesn't matter where you are, as long as you've got internet, you can sign up for absolutely free today. Just put in all of the necessary details right here and click on the Create Account, but easy peasy. Once you've created your superpay.me account, we can now move on to the next website that we'll be using. This one is called irazu.com. With this website, you can earn free gift cards and some cash as well. They already have a decent track record of paying out a lot of cash prizes to all of it. Here's how it works. You can join this website for absolutely free. Then start watching videos and earning points. You can click on this button right here where it says Get Started, and it's going to take you to this page where you can join using your Facebook account or your email. This is what it looks like. Here's how it works. You can join this website for absolutely free. Then start watching videos and earning points. You can click on this button right here where it says Get Started, and it's going to take you to this page where you can join using your Facebook account or your email. This is what it looks like once you log into your account right here on. So just click on this button that says Refer a Friend. Take a look here. This is how much I can make on Facebook. Whenever I share them there, I'll walk you through the process later on. If you keep watching, I'll even show you the scripts and the templates that I use. So stay with me and don't miss a single minute. Now, before signing up yourself for Irazu, take a look over. You can actually refer your friends to the website, and when they sign up using your link, they're going to earn 500 points, and you can also earn money from that. As you can see here, you can get a referral bonus of anywhere between 100 to 500 points. I know you're dying to know, so fret not. I'll be showing you everything you need to know right here on this video. Now, what I want you to do is log into your Facebook account using either your phone or your computer. And on the Facebook search bar, type in the keywords Make Money Online. Once you made the search, a bunch of results pop up. Now, what you're going to do next is go ahead and click on the Groups button right here. That way we can filter out all of the groups on Facebook that are related to making money online. The next thing that we have to do is filter the results of more. we need to make sure that the groups will be joining or posting on our public groups. Now that the filter has dentist job, we are now being shown all of the groups that are set to public. These groups don't require you to request access, and it means that once you go on there, you can post freely. As you can see here, there are so many groups on here with hundreds, even thousands of posts and members, and we can now join these groups for free. Let's just go ahead and click on this button right here, and just like that, let me show you an example. We can see here that there are so many people who are posting links in this group, and a lot of them are actually referral links or referral codes, much like the ones that we want to promote. The thing is, there are so many people who have been doing this again and again on different faces. Now I want you to listen real close, because doing this is a very big mistake. Why? Because the majority of group members simply spam referral links and referral codes in the group. And these days, Facebook group moderators and administrators are very keen on banning these people from the groups and kicking off. So as you might have been able to tell, they have been going about this thing entirely wrong. Don't you agree that it looks very scammy when people simply spam links and codes like a robot? Now, to keep that from happening to you guys, I'm going to share this template with you for free. So the script that I use that you can use as well, it goes like this. I have been so frustrated on my search for ways to make money online. It has been months already, but nothing has seemed to work, and I wasn't making any money online the entire time. See, when you lead with that, you're already hooking in your audience. This is very important because you want people to believe that you're being genuine, and that way they would be able to trust you and relate to you in your pursuit to find ways to make money. So when you say something like this, people can feel more comfortable with you and are then able to relate with you. And as a result, they would be more open to taking in your opinions and whatever there is that you have to say. Now continue by saying something like this. St. Kevin's that my fate took a turn for the better just a couple of days ago. Everything changed when I discovered this great method of making money online. It's even 100%. I completely understand how it feels to struggle for months looking for methods that work. So if you need help or some guidance, feel free to comment below so we can have a quick chat, and I can send you a quick message with all of the. So I can tell you that this script absolutely works. You're going to totally get so many clicks and so many referrals using this strategy. Just go ahead and copy the script. Then you're going to go back to the Facebook group, and you simply have to put up a post on this group using the script that I just showed. You just paste it over here into this box and post. You can do the strategy again and again in a number of different Facebook groups. You can totally put up multiple posts a day in dozens of different Facebook groups that you can join for free. Take note that this is just the first step, because once you put up the post, there will be a bunch of different people who are going to react to your post and comment information, telling you that they want to know about this method that you're talking. The next step that you have to take is add the people who commented on your post as your friends on Facebook. Once you've added them and they've accepted your friend request and you become Facebook friends, you're going to send them these two messages that you can see here. Right? This is just an example. So change the information that needs to be changed. Okay. Hi there, Jane. A while ago, you requested for more information about the best money-making app. As promised, here is a private link for you to sign up with for free. Right now, there's even a bonus of $5. Once you sign up using this code, now the code is actually going to be your referral code, and the link is the iResu website. Now, this is only one of the handful of websites where you can earn commission by simply referring other people to it. So whenever people sign up using your link and entering your referral code, you are going to make money on iResu. Next, I want you to follow up with this second message right here. If you want another additional stream of income, you can also check out this money-making website over here. And the link that you'll be sending them is your referral link to the superpay.me website. All you have to do is send these two messages to everybody who engages with your posts on your Facebook groups, and you're going to get yourself a lot of referrals for free. Just go ahead and highlight the messages, copy them, and send them to everybody who's interested on Facebook. This is absolutely something that you could do for the long term. So as long as you're careful about not getting banned and kicked out of Facebook groups, just keep doing it and money will rain on you forever. And that's it.